So for this question, it is a simple algebraic kind of question. So we're given, I believe this is question 7. So we're given x plus 7y is equals to 10. We're going to name this our first equation. So just going to write 1 beside it. And our second one is 3x minus 2y is equals to 7. And this is going to be our second equation. I'll highlight that. And we can continue on from there. I like to use substitution, so it's basically isolating for one variable in one of the equations and basically substituting that into the second equation to solve for the values. So we're going to be doing just that. We're going to take our first equation, and I think the easiest variable to isolate for is x, because it's already by itself. We don't have to divide or anything. So we're just going to write the equation down again. X plus 7y is equals to 10. And I'm just going to move. So I'm going to move the 7y over to the other side so that x is alone. I can do this by minusing 7y on each side. So 7y on this side and minus 7y on that side. This and that will cancel out, and we are left with the equation x is equals to 10 minus 7y. We can call this our new equation, so the third equation. And what I'm just going to do is I'm going to substitute our third equation into the second equation. And there we go. And I'm just going to move this down. So our second equation was 3x. So for every x you're going to replace, you're not going to write x, you're going to write down this part of x, because x equals this. So in brackets I'm going to put 10 minus 7y bracket minus 2y is equals to 7. So then we can multiply the 3 in. So 30 minus 7 3s are 21. 21y minus 2y is equals to 7. Our basic goal is just to get one variable that we can isolate for at the very end. So we're just going to take the 30 onto the other side, and we're going to add the two y's, so negative 23y is equals to, when we take the 30 to the other side, or basically subtract 30 from each side of the equation, this is going to cancel out, and it's going to be 7 minus 30, which equals to negative 23. We can divide each side, because we have to isolate for y, by negative 23. And we get y is equals to 1. I could have done this a long time ago. And then now we know that y is equals to 1. So we can go to any of our 3 previous equations and basically just put y in it. I think the easiest one to do so would be this equation right here. So our third equation, which is x is equals to 10 minus 7y. So I'm just going to write that equation out. X is equals to 10 minus 7y. Now we're just going to substitute our y into our equation, which means 10 is equals to, x is equals to 10 minus 7. We're going to put 1 in for y, and that equals 10 minus 7, which is 3. So our x is equals to 3. Okay. A way to kind of verify this is if we take any of our values, so take y for example, and we plug it into another equation. So over here, let's use equation 2 for example. 3x, and we also take our y in. So our y is 3. Our x is 3 and our y is 1. So we put it into the second equation. 3 times x is 3, 3 times 3 is 9, minus 2y, y is 1, 2 times 1 is 2, so 9 minus, I'm just going to write it down in blue over here, we get 9 minus 2, which equals to 7, which is the answer over here. If it equals the answer that's already there, or the equation equals to the other side of the equation, one side of the equation equals to the other side of the equation, we will equals to 7. It will equal to 7. And so now we have our question, and those are final values. We can write them down at the bottom. Y is equals to 1. This is not necessary, but like you can write it down if you want to. X is equals to 3. Again, I'm just going to square it. So again, we just have to isolate for one of the variables. That'll be our first move to isolate for our variables. 2 would be we are going to, third. and in this case our x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 1. That's correct. Okay. So once again, thank you for listening. Those are all the questions for today. If you enjoyed today's Q&A and would like to be notified of when we do this next, please hit the subscribe button and notify bell below. If you'd like to submit your own questions, visit the links in the description. Remember to leave a liking comment and share this video with your friends. This has been Shanae from OneClass. I hope to see you soon. Bye.